Hey guys, this is Maria from TrueSocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Instagram Insights. Instagram Insights is an analytics tool that allows you to track and measure your post performance, learn about your audience, and consequently helps to improve. However, keep in mind that insights are only available to business accounts. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use them. Go to your Instagram profile page. Click on the three lines icon in the top right corner of your screen. Find and press on the Insights section. Here, if you tap the Accounts Reached, you will be able to see reach impressions, profile visits, website and email tabs your account has received during the last 7 days. Secondly, you can view your content interactions. What is more, if you click on the Total Followers section, the first thing that you will see is your followers growth chart. If you scroll down, there will be a percentage breakdown of your audience by country and age and gender distribution. Also, you will find a bar chart showing at what hours and days your followers are the most active. In the Content You Shared section, you will see the number of posts, stories, IGTV videos, and promotions you shared over the last 7 days. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Instagram Insights. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TrueSocial.com.